Today I'm going to show you how to build landing pages in Mailchimp. Right, so from our home page, we are going to go over here to the left-hand side. You will see a create button. Go ahead, click on create, and you'll see landing page. Now, once you've clicked on landing page, you'll have to add in a name over here. So we're going to say landing page 1, wouldn't you know? You can now choose your audience and then click on begin. And we're going to go through the process of either choosing to create our landing page from scratch or choosing a template. Now you can see that there are a few different templates. All right. And what you need to do is go in and look at each one of them, or just look at 2 or 3. Once you've chosen one, go ahead, click on it. Now, the important part here is to know that if you are clicking on an element over here, which is the main part of your screen, this is your preview. On the right-hand side, you will see that element in detail. So here, you'll be able to edit on the right-hand side, which means the content part, the styling part, and the settings. There's a lot to get through. So make sure that you go through everything and make sure that you're happy with all of the edits you make. Now, let's say you want to add in a new element. Okay, go ahead, click on save and close after you've made changes. And here you will see a number of blocks. Now, these blocks are quite simple to use. All you do is click down, drag them over, and you drop them wherever you pull your mouse button up. Now, again, once you click on it, you'll be able to customize the content, the style, and the settings right over here on the right-hand side. Everything that you see here is editable, including the background. You can see over here, if you click on here, you'll see either a color, an image. You can fill the space or you can remove it. All right. Once you are done, you're happy with everything that you see here. At the bottom, you'll see a save and close on the right side, right at the bottom of the screen. You'll now go into this page over here. We are now ready to publish our page, but there's a few other things that we need to do. So we've got a page title and a site icon that we need to add in. So this is the name over here. If you click on edit title and site icon over here, you'll be able to add that icon and the title, and then click on save. We also have the social share preview. So if you click on edit preview, it'll show you the social share title, the description on the right hand side, also your landing page over here, your preview, and then you can upload an image as well, and go ahead, click on save. Now the URL, this is the URL to your page. If you'd like to customize that URL, go ahead, click on edit URL. And then we're looking at our audience. Now, we've already chosen an audience, but we can change the audience if we would like to over here. And as we go down, we can now look at the content again. We can change what we've already made. And when we're done, we can go down here, edit the settings and tracking. So you can track with Mailchimp, Metapixel, Google Analytics, and a bunch others. And once you're happy with that, go ahead, and you have 2 options: either finish later if you're not complete, or you can publish this, and this will be published and available